flag is out. The Busch Clash is underway.
Green, green, green.
All rolling. Little tight first three up there. They're all together.
Been a lot of debris out here. Take the grill. I'm getting a little warm. Did they catch us or are we racing them?
No, they would lap us, man. In a second, we're about to pass the 22. I think he's trying to hold us up, or I don't know if he's trying to or not, but we're going to have to go.
Doing a lot of blocking out front right now. Doing good, man. Stay patient. Some of these guys are getting impatient.
They're trying to wreck. They're trying to wreck. They're trying to wreck.
It is on here at Daytona.
Trouble off turn 4, Kyle Busch up and into the outside wall.
With no points on the line, Kyle Busch said it was time to go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. All right, we got destroyed by our teammate. Why did we... That's completely unnecessary.
What do you think their spotters look like? Joey blocked us 6 different times in one move.
There will be 3 laps to go. Green flag goes back in the air. We're crashing again. Truex will hit the wall.
Keep coming, keep coming. Easy, easy. Middle, middle. Easy, down. Up, 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 up. Going, going, going. Top lane struggling, top lane struggling. Hold the brake, hold the brake. We've got no horsepower, and they still managed to wreck on the restart. I didn't hit anything other than Harvick in front of me.
No question, but I don't know. Maybe the power is just better. I don't know. I wasn't ready for it, I can tell you that.
Oh, Hamlin around.
I bet that fender caused that right rear tire to go down.
Hamlin's around. Almirola, 85 others. Matter of fact, the only one to get through.
Easy, back it down, go middle. Low, low, keep coming. Easy, 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 up, up.
Right in front of you, right in front of you. Easy, easy, easy.
Lost the right rear there, guys. You okay, Denny?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I felt the turn went into. I was trying to hold on.
Nice work, man. Hell yeah.
I don't know how I did that shit. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. Whew, that was crazy.
Nice work, man. Hell yeah. 8 cars are left.
Right again. Green, white, checker.
Dillon tries to block Newman to the bottom.
And amazingly enough, we have reached the white flag.
You got a run coming to you, bottom, inside. Levin's got to help us here. 6 on the bottom. Pushing you, pushing you. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. There you go. Keep going. Coming right to it, baby. Keep coming. There you go, baby. 2020.
You got to be kidding me. Thanks, DH. Good job, Jones. That's way to start off, boys. Yeah, I was going to tell you to burn it down, but I think you already...
Leave a little space in case somebody makes a mistake.
Be smart here. Be smart here. Inside, inside, inside.
Whoa, in the wall goes J.J. Ayling.
Corey LaJoy may have had a piece of the action as well.
Dumbass. Drove them all over the back. You damn picked my damn back tires off the ground.
Stupid on the spotter, the crew chief, and the driver, all 3 of them. All 3 of these birds. Mistake. All we got to do is ride around with a 62.
United States President pacing the field for the Great American Race.
He's going to pace the field? Yep. Love it. Gosh, it's awesome.
Drivers, this is President Trump, and it was an honor to open the Daytona 500. Have a phenomenal day. Have a great race. Be safe. God bless you. We love you.
I'm not feeling anything. Not at all. Gotta come this time. We're gonna run out of fuel. Come this time. I call you out, or did you just take off?
Sorry, pal. Working on stage. Well, just go ahead and get your shit together here.
What is wrong with this shit box? Doesn't run.
Don't get frustrated.
Trying to wreck up there. Trying to wreck. Oh, boy.
The 00 has crashed here in Daytona.
We're wrecked.
I was trying to be up in the mix, but that's what we get.
How many times can he block me going so much slower? I mean, that's just common sense. Seen it on TV, but you can't do that.
I told his spotter not to do it again. I think he's done blocking today.
I do not want Reed Sorensen behind you, so whatever lane he's in.
Field 2 and 3 wide racing.
Sure, they're going to wreck yours too, and they're all pushing too hard.
I feel like everybody is. It's going to be big here in a second.
Trouble back straightaway. The field is flying apart.
Wrecking, easy, easy, back it down. Big one, big one. Stay low, low, middle, middle. Wrecking.
Guys, a lot of damage, a lot of damage.
We're probably have no oil pressure. Do it. Are you bad? Yeah, man, I can see the radio. A bunch of cars are torn up, man. I mean, a bunch. I would have kept pushing. I just ran out of temperature.
No, I think that was perfect, my man. Fun to watch.
Yeah.
You can't do it when everybody expects you to do it, right?
Levin said he ran out of temp. It was getting too hot. That's why he pulled off you.
That's not why he pulled off.
That might have been one car too many there, Ross.
Back to the last scoring loop, and it must be pretty far away from where the yellows came out. Damn it! It's gonna be okay. We'll be fine here. Just stay focused. We got a fast car. We got a lot of Fords around us. We'll be fine.
You get for camping or all.
11 sweat's pretty good now. Yeah, so 4.
Denny Hamlin, Ryan Newman goes to tail on the outside, and Corey LaJoy on the bottom.
They are wrecking behind. Still green. 12 closing to you quick, top. 12's gonna lock with you. 12's gonna lock with you. He's locked up with you. Clear when you get to him. 12 is locked with you. He's off of you.
Newman to the inside. Ryan Newman to the lead.
Get low behind the 12 if you can. Clear low. Pick the 17 up. Outside. They're going towards the top. Watch them going back to the bottom. Back to the top. Back to the bottom. Bottom. Back to the top on the top. Crash in front of you. Go low.
Blaney to the outside, to the inside. Here comes Hamlin up the outside. Wow. Crash into the wall, into the air. Goes Newman.
Upside down.
Ryan Blaney, Denny Hamlin across the line. Denny Hamlin will go back to back. Newman flipping across the start-finish line.
Side draft the hell out of him. Come on. Keep coming. Side draft. Hell yeah! We got it! I hope the fix is all right. It's a bad wreck, but talk to me when you can, buddy. Okay? When you can, buddy. You all right, buddy? You okay? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm back to the antenna's probably knocked off.
Is knocked off here. Antenna's knocked off. He's out. He's getting out. He's all right. Car's destroyed, though. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Good job, everybody. Thank you. He hit hard. I don't know if he's okay.
I'll let you know when Newman gets out here. Still on his roof.
You're the damn man. You are the Daytona King, my friend. Nice work. Yeah! We got it!
You let his spotter know I'm tired of sitting on my door. Covered from last year, too.
10-4.
We're just on banana peels, man. Close. Too close here. Undrivable.
Still on the floor.
Knocking the shit out of it.
Stenhouse Jr.'s there. He's just holding on tight.
What the f*** is his problem?
What a
We aren't even the leaders. What the f*** is he thinking?
He was the leader at the time. I think he was trying to keep everybody behind him.
Our car is stuck. Gone from 6 to 11. Cool. Awesome.
I can get you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich too if you want one.
Oh, I wish.
I got no grip. I got nothing. No grip.
Plowing tight. Joke. I don't know why. Front end is easy overpowered sometimes.
Outside 00.
They're so stupid. They don't even know when to get out of the way when there's a guy on the bottom of them. Lap cars, man. That's God. Get that piece of off the racetrack. Bunch of hacks. Because of a mistake on pit road. On our weak link, Seth?
Short. It's over. Yes, race is over.
I don't know what the we're doing. But we're not doing anything to nail me. Howdy's such a you can't ride on a guy's quarter panel like that. Just make them plow, you stupid
The 20 and 11. They can both kiss my
10-4 on the kiss.
Just got caught in a bad spot there in traffic. Killed my front tires too. Doesn't help when a teammates races like jackasses every week as well.
I don't understand why they can't just help push me by the next guy and not push the next guy back past. I just don't understand that. It's like kind of stupid. Delta 22, I should have wrecked him. Next time I will.
Yes, sir. Tired of that
All the Gibbs guys are pissed at each other. Keep that in mind. I'm going to need some more friggin' batteries here if we're going to keep this.
Outside 19. Outside 10. Go behind them.
Watch them. They're going to get each other bound up. Damn. Outside with a 10. Unbelievable.
Times, Danny. How many times? Bill, when he hangs on my right rear, it gets tight.
You don't care about that, bud. You just got to do you, man. You race for the 11 car. Good job there, but you scared the out of me.
Me too. I'm in trouble here. I'm plowing my off. That damn it.
I got no short run speed. I got no long run speed. Just sucks.
Flight step 43 is running the line at speed. What'd you have there, pal?
Stupidity. Car's fine.
Get back here and
Calm down, we got time here. I think this is going to give us a good bumper here. We just got to go like hell.
10-4, engage to go like hell.
That's going to slide all the way up. Ooh, that was so close.
If I get back to the 2, he's not finishing.
Ugly. I'm tired of with him all over his ass.
Yeah, he's about to dip. Always has been.
Goes to the front. Oh, and there's trouble, Martin Truex Jr.
Got run over from behind.
Ain't got to worry about Truex anymore.
I don't know if he checked up early because the 48 was squeezing him or what, but he stopped a lot quicker than I could.
Clown in the tank car.
Yeah, second time he's hit me going in the corner today.
13 falls right in the same category as the 47, week in and week out.
We're going to get this 22. Let's see racing like
How many laps till next hot dog break?
Bro, he's sideways. Jimmy Johnson spin.
He didn't spin, he just wrecked us.
God dang it, I am so sorry, guys.
Yeah, the time came off the wall and I hit it.
Find a lap car and clear it.
There it goes.
Oh, he got it off.
Now it's on ours. Dang it, man.
Oh, trouble right here past the start-finish line. It's Chris Buescher.
What was that? What is going on?
So 95 went to push us and turned us around. We on a nitrous button this lap.
Damage.
Where would it be?
On the nose.
I don't care if you wreck him, but don't tear out wrecking him.
I probably knocked hole in the nose now.
Outside, three middle.
You can't do that
Man,
here.
that doesn't work at Darlington.
Tight, man. We're wrecking loose everywhere. This is unbelievable.
Don't pull the Jimmy Johnson for another night. Bring this one home.
Look at her ass speed. God, he's just hard-headed.
It'll be hard on everybody else now.
Spin out on purpose?
Oh, yes, he did.
Come on, man. You got to black flag people for this.
Son of a... I'm going to go out on a real short limb and say that.
Kyle Busch trying to take the lead from Denny Hamlin. Here comes Chase Elliott.
Oh, he just hooked us. What the It happened the way I think it happened. That's absolute. Oh, it happened. You okay?
Yeah, I am good.
Oh, boy.
Did you put your smiley mask in the car?
Yes, I'm happy. I'm a happy guy.
NASCAR security over to the 18 pit stall.
Might want to look to your left there, KB. Like you got a bit of a welcoming committee. I believe so.
Well, just don't let them get the door numbers confused.
Lead right there? Holy if you hit that son of a we'd be done. What'd you look for in a 5-hour long race? Something feels something in the pedal's going to the floor. Something's wrong. His tires feel like octagons, man.
21 has got to get out of the way. The guy standing next to me, I told him to get the out of the way, but he ain't listening.
Oh, wow, Ross Chastain.
What's that guy doing?
Damn idiot. You can tell the 3 that's twice. Next time, get dumped.
Oh, Newman, give me some help with this. They're catching me, man.
Pull the 95 to look out the right windshield.
I have no idea what the happened to this race car.
What the is he doing?
Got a spin off a 2.
That's got to be a joke.
I'm beside myself. It's unreal.
I mean, you're kidding me. Unbelievable. Always something.
Bumper, 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 still there. Bumper, 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 still there. Door, still there. He's India. That's him, India again. India really hard. He's wrecking everybody here.
Hurry, Bob. Gotta hurry, 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 hurry. Outside, outside, outside.
What was that?
I passed that
Please.
Trouble. Michael McDowell going around in the 34.
Find one of your teammates pinned you out.
sideways.
Hey, man, do the best you can.
I'm terrible, man. Holy what's wrong?
Must not be the only one, because I ain't seen the 18.
Someone tell me what the is going on here.
Alright, we got a commute line violation. They just showed it on TV. I think it's complete to be honest. We got big time. You did not run it over. We're going to be in good shape, so don't stress. We'll get back up there and we're going to slay these.
That's awesome.
Buddy, how you doing? Talk to me.
Man, it's really hot in here. Might be dude, I don't know.
Stay tough. If you got to come in.
Do not hurt yourself trying to drive this race car. It's not worth it.
One back to 2 wide.
Don't give a what's behind me. I've already passed. I'm good. Hitting the splitter like a
Copy.
We stuck.
On the splitter taking off?
You know it. Look.
Sideways, man. Unbelievable. God, it would be nice to have a faster car. I can't go anywhere. 10 just blew by us. On the bottom. I'm stuck on the bottom, going backwards.
Hey, what the do you expect? We're going to race. You guys in there wrecked me. Looks like you was having a hard time holding straight on the straightaway to me.
I'm just a boat anchor. I'm just in the way. They go by top, they go by bottom. Just in the way. Sorry, guys. Keep going. going. It's got. Keep going. Randall boys, everyone. Great car, great stuff. Proud of all y'all. Go! It's the last lap, dog. Go! Alright, Jesus. Right. Now you're done. Good job, man. Way to drive tonight, P4.
Pretty aggressive blocking.
Out of here. I don't know why I'm so loose every time we come here. Get the 42 out of there, please. I don't want to with that 47.
I don't blame you.
Watch the double zero. Double zero just drove into the side of the damn AC. Are we gonna rub? I think I smell it. I saw an air gap between you and him the whole time. We definitely touched. I told you guys, listen to me every time I say I smell it. Too aggressively pushing.
Oh, Chase Elliott, it's turned!
Holy crap. You alright? Yeah, I'm fine.
19th different leaders. It is Bubba Wallace.
Yeah, it's pretty good right now. Push his ass. Hook him. Back to the bottom, back to the top, back to the top.
Final run to the checkered flag, wheel to wheel.
Dig, side draft, side draft.
We get it?
You know, right? Awesome job, dude. Awesome job.
I have no rear grid. You left the left front back at the shop. We got enough time to go back and get it for tomorrow. That'd be nice.
A wreck on the front stretch, Stand behind you, bigger wreck here. We got ran the over.
Yeah, by the 8.
Guys, we're in a heavy right front here.
I'm trying to get rid of that 21.
Oh, my.
Left front's got to work better. Just along for the ride. It's not doing anything.
19, driving in a little bit.
Push the right front off again. Get back to 22 for the damage.
What a hang on to it here.
Looked like Brad just go-karted us up the track. It wasn't me. I was 3 foot from him. 20 coming outside. Save. Wrecker behind us. And we're spinning. Hit the wall.
Oh, this is not did that. Drove right to the fence.
Remember, he's got a lot more to lose than we do.
You're doing 18.
This battle is Blaney and Kyle Busch.
My patience is done.
Oh, man, they're racing so hard right now.
I'll wreck his spot next time. I'll make sure of that.
Stay focused in here. We'll get into the better driver. One coming inside.
Oh, Kyle Busch. Heavy contact. Wow.
Hey, spun us. Wrecked us. Lock it down.
No idea what the hell he was doing. Why he was center and high and then went back to the bottom. I was even on the apron trying to stay off of.
You alright?
Who cares?
By one, whatever lane you need. Spin in front of here. Check up.
Go low, high, stay up there. He's going to come down. Check up. Down.
Double turn number 2, Ryan Priest.
Baby! God almighty!
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, doggy, that was slick, boy. Dude, how did we make that? Wait till you see the replay.
Look at the rear tires come off the ground as Bubba Wallace goes down on the apron.
Oh, my God. Please give me some underwear for that one.
I need some. Look out the mirror.
This right front tire from the get-go, it just felt like trash. Hit the wall. I had a bunch of them, and I lost them. The 9 just ran right in my door.
Yeah, a little bit of right side damage. 11 decided he wanted to turn left on the straightaway.
We were going to have to do a pass-through because of an uncontrolled tire. Ryan Newman. Get that piece of out of the way! You him off this weekend or something? He was a you all day. Nah. Everybody. Nightmare. Now it's, I don't even know. Blowing up.
And a big wreck here on pit road.
Guys, you guys okay? Zach's needing a little help, but he's alright. He got hit in his leg. Somebody hurt or something?
Yeah, one of the changes on the 12 got hit. They were wrecked.